I got this keyboard and this monitor to be able to use my Samsung phone as desktop. Here's the keyboard. Now let's check out the portable monitor. There's a 2 years warranty and 10% code. You have an instructional manual. And here's the star of the show. Actually, there's some stuff underneath. Let's take a look at that first. Comes with USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, a mini HDMI to regular HDMI. I actually wasn't expecting that. And this is a power block. Now going back to the star of the show. One thing I'll say, this is quite light. For a monitor, it's quite light. It kind of feels like a laptop. Very surprised by this quality. Already, it just feels premium. This tells you how to use it, and it's magnetic, so. On the right side, you have two USB-C ports and the mini HDMI port. On the left side, you have your audio, the toggle switch for menu, and the power button. Overall quality of the finish and fit is very, very nice. The back is indeed magnetic, as you can see. To attach it right away. There are two positions you can place them. Love the thin bezel. And this is my setup. I'll say, just visually, it looks really, really, really nice. The thin bezel, just overall construction looks premium, feels premium. Using a USB-A and C cable with the power block, let's turn it on, see how it looks. As you can see, here's my phone, and it's all powered on. We got the Samsung DeX screen, which means it's ready to go. So anyway, this is my setup. I highly recommend this monitor.